Welcome back to the channel, and today we're tackling the 5 most common trading mistakes that can wipe out your account fast. Whether you're new or experienced, these pitfalls are critical to avoid if you want to build real wealth. Trading isn't just about picking winners. It's about discipline and strategy. We'll break down each mistake and give you actionable tips to sidestep them. Stick around. This could literally save you thousands. Let's jump right in. The biggest mistake? Trading without a plan. Imagine building a house with no blueprint. You end up with chaos. Your trading plan is your blueprint. It defines what you trade, when you enter and exit, and how much you risk. Without it, you're trading on emotion, buying at the top, selling at the bottom. A plan removes emotion and keeps you disciplined. It doesn't need to be complicated. A simple checklist works. For example, only trade large cap stocks. Enter if RSI is below 30. Risk no more than 1% per trade, and set clear profit and stop loss targets. If a trade doesn't meet your criteria, skip it. This discipline is what separates pros from amateurs. Write your plan, stick to it, and hold yourself accountable. Trading without a plan is gambling, and the market always beats gamblers. Be the house, not the gambler. That's your first step to trading success. Next up, overtrading. Many think more trades mean more profit, but it's usually the opposite. Every trade should be a high-quality setup that fits your plan. Overtrading racks up fees and drains your focus. Think like a sniper, not a machine gunner. Wait for the perfect shot. Protect your capital by being patient. It's okay to sit in cash if no good opportunities appear. Professional traders get paid to wait. Your job isn't to trade constantly. It's to protect your capital and strike only when the odds are in your favor. Fewer, better trades lead to less stress and more profit. Cut the noise, focus on quality. That's how you win. Ignore risk management and you're doomed, no matter your strategy. Your top priority is protecting your capital, not chasing gains. Use the 1% rule. Never risk more than 1% of your account on a single trade. This keeps you in the game, even during losing streaks. Always use a stop loss. Set it before you enter, and never move it to give a losing trade more room. Stop losses take emotion out of the equation and prevent small losses from becoming disasters. Respect your stop loss. It's your safety net. Successful traders cut losses quickly and let winners run. Without risk management, you'll eventually blow up your account. Make risk control your foundation. Survive first, profit comes second. That's the real secret. Don't skip it. Mistake 4, chasing losses or revenge trading. You lose a trade, feel angry, and jump into another risky trade to win it back. This is gambling, not trading. The market doesn't care about your feelings. Acting on emotion leads to bigger losses and destroys your confidence. Losses are part of the business. Treat them as a cost, not a personal failure. If you feel emotional, step away from the screen. Never trade to get even. Review your plan, reset, and only return when you're calm. The market will be there tomorrow. Your capital might not if you let emotions take over. Stay disciplined, not reactive. That's how you break the cycle. The final mistake, failing to learn from your trades. Trading is a skill. Improvement comes from honest feedback. Keep a trading journal. Record every trade, your reasoning, and your emotions. Review your journal weekly to spot patterns and recurring mistakes. This self-reflection is where real growth happens. Your journal is your personal coach. Use it to eliminate bad habits and reinforce good ones. Don't just track wins and losses, track your process. Continuous improvement is your long-term edge. The market evolves, and so should you. Start journaling today, even if it's just a notebook or spreadsheet. Learn, adapt, and get better with every trade. That's how you become a consistently profitable trader. There you have it, the 5 most costly trading mistakes and how to avoid them. Trading success is about discipline, patience, and constant learning. Avoid these pitfalls, and you're already ahead of most traders. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more. Drop a comment below. What mistake have you struggled with most? Check out my other videos for deeper dives into trading strategies and psychology. Thanks for watching. Keep learning, stay disciplined, and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck out there.